Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home offered at $328,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home with a 2-car garage that's offered at $328,000. This home has no bond balance and it does have solar energy installed. I will start by taking a view of the street. The front of this home does face north. That is your street facing east. And that is your street facing west. This home has beautiful brick paver driveway, very deep setback and mature landscaping as well. This is in the northern part of the Villages. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, you can contact Jill Gonzalez with Coldwell Banker. That is her contact information. I will leave her contact information in the description of the video as well. This home has a roof that was replaced in the year 2020, air conditioning that was replaced in the year 2018. This home also has an electric car hookup, and I will show you that a little bit later. You can see the brick pavers continue up the sidewalk, and it has a front porch seating area as well. Very large, very nice. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hi, Jill. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
Hi, Tim. Thanks for coming by. This is a great opportunity to own this home and just make it your own. So this home with this energy efficiency is giving you a very low electric bill. And it has that opportunity to get yourself an electric car and just be off the grid in that aspect. So this is an Amarillo, and so it has that split floor plan. So if you do have guests, everybody has a little bit of their own privacy. So you can come in, pick out the floor that you want, and paint it what you want and make it your own and just go right into enjoying your time here in the Villages.
Thank you, Jill. I'll take my guests on a tour of this home, and if they have any questions, I will leave your contact information in the description of the video.
Sounds great.
Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice, it does have tile floors in the foyer. It also has carpeting in this living and dining room area. This home has very high acoustic textured ceilings as well. This is an Amarillo model home. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Off to the left of the foyer area, you will see a guest quarter, and I will visit that area. It has carpeting in the hallway. In the back of the home, you do see a guest bedroom with carpeting. It has white paint on the walls as well. It has sliding raised panel doors on the closet, and I will show you what that closet looks like. That is your closet right there. Off into the hallway, you do see a bathroom, a guest bathroom. It has rolled vinyl floors. It has one sink, white cabinets, Formica countertops. It does have a tub and shower surround that is plastic or fiberglass. It is a one-piece unit. That minimizes the leaks. Off to the front of the home, you do see another guest bedroom with carpeting, acoustic textured ceilings, very large window in this guest bedroom. It does have sliding doors on the closet. Next, I'll walk back out into that kitchen area and living room area. Give you another panoramic view of this home. Off to the back of the home, you do have a lanai. This lanai has tile over the concrete floors. It has windows. The back of this home does face south, friends. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like. The patio over there is new, and that was recently added. It's a screen porch that was added in the year 2024. This is awesome. Floor to ceiling screens. The concrete work looks in excellent condition. That is a sliding patio door that leads into the primary bedroom. There are shades on this screened-in porch area. I will take you to the backyard and show you what the backyard looks like as well, friends. Let's see what the backyard looks like. This is your backyard. It does have a tile patio area here as well. I will give you a panoramic view of this home. That is a better look at your roof line and your solar panels on that home. Very energy efficient home. That is the back of your home. Next, I will walk into that home and show you the primary bedroom as well as the kitchen area as well. Here we are in the kitchen area. This kitchen does have Formica countertops. It has white cabinets. It has a 2-bowl sink, natural gas stove as well. That is rolled vinyl flooring. That is wallpaper for the backsplash. That is your island right there, friends. I will video the specification sheet. This is your specification sheet. This home is offered at $328,000. Village of Tally Ridge. It's an Amarillo model, no bond. It has solar energy, newer roof in the year 2020, screen porch in 2024, AC in 2018, and there's an electric car hookup. Feel free to pause the video if you have any questions about this home. I will take you through a tour of the rest of this home. Off to the other side of the home is the primary bedroom. It does have carpeted floors. It has sliding glass doors out to the new porch area. There is a walk-in closet as well as the primary bathroom. Here is your walk-in closet right there. It has wire rack shelves. Here's your primary bathroom. It has rolled vinyl floors, Formica countertops, one sink, white cabinets, wallpaper border. There is your commode space there with a window. That is your shower space right there. I will show you what the shower space looks like as well. That is your shower. It is a tiled shower. Both the floor and the walls are tiled in that shower. White tiles. Here is your linen closet right here, friends. That's your linen closet. Very large, very deep and wide. Next, I will show you what the laundry area looks like. This laundry area does have rolled vinyl floors, white cabinets. That is your HVAC system right there, friends. It has wire shelves. Here's the garage. It is a 2-car garage with concrete floors, which appear to be in very good condition. as I walk into the garage. This is a wood-framed home. There's your water heater in the corner of that garage. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Jill Gonzalez. I will leave her contact information in the description of the video. I'll give you another panoramic view of this home. Very high ceilings. Give you a different perspective. Let's go outside to the street and I will show you what that looks like. Here I am exiting the home. I just wanted to give you one last view of this front porch seating area. Beautiful brick paver. As I exit the home, I wanted to give you a view of panning right and left of what this home looks like. You do notice it does have a very deep setback. Awesome flowers there too. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Jill Gonzalez at Coldwell Banker. That is her contact information. She will help you with any questions. I will give you one last panoramic view of this home. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home in the Villages, Florida, offered at $328,000. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Amarillo model home is offered at $328,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.